Turning to weather now to look outside from our Muskegon tower cam, and the sun finally made a little bit of an appearance now that the rain has finally moved out.
Looks so pretty. 13 on your side. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons joins us now with the first look at our forecast.
As predicted, the rain moved on out and even some snow north, but now we've got some sunshine from Grand Rapids northward. A little bit of light rain is expected, not a whole lot, 1/10 of an inch or less, and all of that was late last night and very early this morning. But Linda, up in Pentwater, snow covered the ground for a while before it all melted once the sun came out this afternoon. A lot of sunshine around the Grand Haven area on up to the north, including Fremont, over along the lakeshore in Montague. It's 42. A few waves out there looking good. That'll look really great in the summer. At 5:02 up in Big Rapids, few folks enjoying the sunshine there. It's kind of cool though at 45 degrees. Again, the rain moved on out. The sun has moved on in, but the clouds will be back with us as a storm moves up out of Texas. There are going to be some severe weather across Oklahoma and southern Missouri, but it'll be all rain initially here in West Michigan when it arrives late tomorrow night, and snow during the day on Saturday. We've been in the 40s today, but a little bit cooler to the north, where it's been in the mid 40s, upper 40s further to the south. We'll tell you the timeline of that next storm system coming in for Friday night through Saturday evening here in just a few minutes. Nice to see the sunshine return in some areas this afternoon. It certainly made it feel better, but it was definitely a little on the cool side yet. 13 weather ball is green. No change to those 40s foreseen. Just about as warm tomorrow as it was today. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Skies will become cloudy again later on tonight, and we will dip down to around 30, maybe a little bit colder. So watch out for a little bit of black ice if it didn't evaporate or melt what fell during the day today. And then another mostly cloudy day with temperatures back up into the mid 40s during the afternoon. It'll be a dry day tomorrow, but we've got a storm system that is going to be moving from Texas up into southeast lower Michigan starting Friday night and Saturday. And that's going to put us in a spot where we will see rain, wind, and maybe even some snow. The only winter weather watches right now over northern lower Michigan, north of US 10. That is a winter storm watch. I think that may be expanded here during the day tomorrow. Storm system going to take its time getting here. We have just clouds coming in overnight and just a mostly cloudy day tomorrow. It won't be until after midnight tomorrow night where we see the rain and maybe a little wintry mix to start, especially from US 10 northward, and it will get quite windy with the rain changing to snow in most areas, and the highest probability for accumulation will be along and north of I-96, and then skies clear and we have a sunny day coming up on Sunday. Does this sound familiar? It's been like the last two Friday nights and Saturday. In terms of rainfall, we could see anywhere from 3/4 to up towards an inch, all or mostly rain from I-96 southward, but there is the potential for some significant snow from eastern Iowa through southern Wisconsin through areas along and north of US 10. Traverse City projected to get 7+ inches. Here in Grand Rapids, whatever falls most likely will melt, but areas along and just south of US 10 and northward are going to see perhaps enough snow to shovel and plow, at least before it melts. Cold temperatures from the west coast all the way into the northern U.S. That's a high probability of that, including us here in West Michigan. And the same time period from the 29th through April 2nd, high chances for more precipitation. Tonight, though, dry, mostly cloudy skies, mid and upper 20s, northern part of the lakeshore, 30+ from Muskegon southward. Northern part of our viewing area, mid and upper 20s, under mostly cloudy skies. And similarly here in the greater Grand Rapids area, upper 20s to around 30. 13 on your side forecast. We've gone ahead and highlighted Friday night through Saturday with some wind. Temperatures only around 42 here in Grand Rapids, colder to the north. Sunny and 48 Sunday, dry now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Another round of some rain next Thursday night. And Friday, it might be even a rumble of thunder next Friday. And then here we go, another Friday, Saturday system with some rain, maybe a wintry mix early on in the day on Saturday, but it'll be dry the following Sunday. After the morning rain, the sun has returned here, at least for a little while this evening. We are looking at a pretty good potent winter storm coming, though, for Friday night. What's ahead for during the day Friday? 13 weather ball is green. No change foreseen. As that 13 weather ball up against that nice bright blue sky. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We'll see some of the clouds return For your evening walk, Bera, Noah going to give you a green paw for the evening walk. Should be comfortable, mid 40s, dropping into the upper 30s, around 30 in the morning as you get up and take Noah out for a walk. Green paw in the morning. A lot more sunshine here, especially where the solar energy farm's here for tomorrow, so enough to create a lot of green energy. And winds are going to be fairly light, but they'll get real strong here Friday night and on Saturday. That's your green energy report. Got a storm track taking it from North Texas all the way up to around Detroit by Saturday night. We're going to be on the colder side, marginally colder here in Grand Rapids, much colder further to the north and west. Right now we've had some clearing taking place, but the clouds will be thickening up a little bit during the night tonight, and during the day tomorrow. It'll be dry all day, but you can see where the leading edge of the rain already pushing up into central Illinois by 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, overspreading much of the region by 7 o'clock on Saturday morning. It might start as a wintry mix and change over to some snow during the day on Saturday. We'll see some rain changing over to a little bit of snow here in Grand Rapids, but mainly rain from Grand Rapids south and accumulating snow to the north. And skies are going to quickly clear. Saturday night we'll wake up to a lot of sunshine during the day on Sunday, and some of that snow will begin to melt. In terms of rainfall, all of this will be coming after about 2 o'clock in the morning on Saturday after midnight, and about 3/4 to maybe an inch of liquid precipitation. Some of this will be melted snow, and the storm track has 10+ inches from Moline all the way up into northwestern lower Michigan. We're going to be on the northwest edge of that. This area has been consistent for the past several days, so high confidence that this is where the storm track will end up. We will see some snow falling here in the greater Grand Rapids area, but I think a lot of that will be melting as it does. So the highest chances of accumulation will be from Muskegon and Alma northward, and that will all be Friday night through late Saturday evening. Long-range outlook continues to show the cool temperatures prevailing over the northern Great Lakes region all the way through April 6th. Then a high chance will continue with higher chances for more precipitation during that 7-day period. Tonight, though, dry, mostly cloudy, low and mid and upper 20s northern part of the lakeshore, 30+ from Muskegon south. Northern areas will be down below freezing. Watch out for a bit of black ice. Mid and upper 20s, and from Grand Rapids southward, we'll be in the upper 20s to around 30 degrees. 13 on your side forecast. We're highlighting Saturday with that impact day. We'll tell you what the impacts will be coming up at 6, but lots of sunshine, snow melting temperatures on Sunday as we hit 48. Dry now Monday through Thursday with another round of some rain Thursday night, maybe a rumble of thunder next Friday, and maybe a little bit of wet snow mixed in with some rain the following Saturday. But again, just like this past weekend, it looks like rain Friday night, windy, wet snow, and thunder now on Saturday, and then sunny on Sunday. Rinse and repeat.
Hey, if I didn't see it, I wouldn't believe it, but we know it's true.
Just kidding.
Thank you, George.
Yep. After the morning rain and even some snow north, skies have cleared over much of the area. Very nice afternoon going on. What's ahead for your Friday and, more importantly, the weekend? 13 weather ball is green. No change to the 40s foreseen on your Friday. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast an afternoon high of 46. We forecast it to rise from 37 to 46 this afternoon. We said it would get to 43, and we are 3 days in a row within 3 degrees of our forecast high. We got a storm system, though, that may sound familiar. It's going to affect our Friday night and Saturday. It's coming up out of Texas. It's going to head over toward the Detroit area. We're going to be on the marginally colder side of this storm. So we have some winter weather impacts to talk about. This will be after midnight Friday night through Saturday evening. Wintry mix, so a low ice buildup, medium impacts for visibilities being low, and travel, especially north of Grand Rapids, and power outages will be in the low category because it's going to be very windy during the day on Saturday. Let's walk you through it. We've got clear skies from Grand Rapids northward. We're going to become overcast just about everywhere here during the night, and during the day tomorrow it should be dry, just cloudy skies, so be able to get out and do anything you want here all the way into Friday evening. But the rain and wintry mix start after midnight, push to the north. Generally north of I-96 is where all of the impacts will be, and as we go through the day on Saturday, we'll see rain changing over to snow snow in many areas. Here in Grand Rapids southward, it'll be warm enough where the snow will melt, but further to the north and west, winter storm watch in effect where there will be a lot of accumulation. And then skies clear Saturday night. We're going to wake up to lots of sunshine just like last weekend, although it is going to get a bit breezy on Sunday once again after that storm departs, but no precipitation expected here Sunday. Now in terms of rainfall and some melted snow, this will be in the northern parts, we'll see anywhere from about 3/4 to an inch of liquid precipitation. A lot of that will be melting in terms of snow here in Grand Rapids, but the snow will not arrive until well after midnight here Friday, and this is Saturday morning. But look during the day Saturday, anywhere from 2+ to maybe as much as 6+ inches of snow all the way up toward the Ludington area, on up toward Cadillac. Further north and west, there could be a foot of snow. But here in the greater Grand Rapids area and along the lakeshore, mostly cloudy and dry tomorrow. Upper 40s, excuse me, in the northern part of the lakeshore zone. 50+ from Muskegon southward. Up north, you could expect mid and upper 40s. A dry day, mostly cloudy skies. Grand Rapids southward will hit between about 47 and 49 during the afternoon. Those east winds are going to get quite strong later on tomorrow night. 13 on your side forecast. With the snow and the very windy conditions Saturday, we've highlighted that with an impact day there in orange. High of 42 here in GR, colder north. 48 and sunny on Sunday. Dry now Monday through Thursday. Another round of some rain next Thursday night. Maybe a rumble of thunder next Friday. And as things cool off on Saturday, there might be a wintry mix followed by, again, guess what? More sunshine the following Sunday.